Alright, just a quick bench test of the transmission controller. We'll reset it. So as soon as it powers up, it defaults to shift solenoid 1 on, which would be first gear. This is your downshift, this is your upshift. So first, up to second, third, fourth. Down to third, down to second, down to first. So the logic behind that is the 4R44E. It has 3 shift solenoids. First gear in drive is solenoid 1 activated, the other 2 off, which is what we got. So we'll hit the reset button to simulate the engine just starting, the computer just coming on board. So first gear defaults to first gear, that one on. Press up once. The shift logic for that transmission is shift solenoid 1 and shift solenoid 2 are activated for second gear. Third gear is none of the shift solenoids activated, so all 3 are off. And then fourth gear is simply shift solenoid 3 is activated. So you got first, second, third, fourth. Third, second, first.